Hey Jay.
Hey Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to talk about results.
Lucy, why do you have a swim ring?
Oh, this? Well, I really wanted to go to the beach today.
But it's so hot, it's 45 degrees.
I know, it was such a hot day that I couldn't go. So I decided to stay in the air conditioning.
Me too. It's such a hot day that I decided to stay inside too.
Nice use of such that, Jay. Let's look at the structure. If you want to talk about results, you can use the structure such plus adjective plus noun, then that and the consequence. The problem is that the day was very hot, and the result is that I couldn't go to the beach. So, it was such a hot day that I couldn't go to the beach.
So, do I need to always use like there was such bad traffic that I was late?
No, remember you only need if the noun is countable, like day. Traffic is uncountable, so you don't need There was such bad traffic that I was late.
All right.
So, today we learned how to talk about results using such that.
Great. Hey, I think it's been such a difficult afternoon that we should reward ourselves with chocolates.
Great idea! Cheers!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.